Hello and welcome to the channel and to my bedroom again. So today we are going to be reading a story, okay? An English story titled The Curious Caterpillar. So please focus on my mouth movements so you can learn to pronounce English words as well as I read the story, okay? So 3, 2, 1, let us dive right in. Once upon a time, in a vibrant meadow, lived a curious caterpillar named Callie. Callie was unlike other caterpillars. She had a never-ending curiosity about the world around her. She loved exploring every leaf, flower, and nook in the meadow. One sunny morning, Callie noticed a group of butterflies fluttering gracefully above her. Mesmerized by their colorful wings, she wished to become a butterfly too. She approached her wise friend, Mr. Squirrel, and shared her dream. "Mr. Squirrel," Callie asked, "how can I become a butterfly? I want to fly like them." Mr. Squirrel chuckled kindly. "Dear Callie, you are a caterpillar. Your time to transform will come, but you must embrace each stage of your life." Callie was determined to learn. She continued exploring, making friends with the ants, ladybugs, and bees. Each day, she learned something new about the world she lived in. One day, as the rain poured, Callie found herself struggling to cross a small stream. Her leaf was too tiny, and the water's current too strong. Seeing her predicament, a friendly spider named Silky spun a silk thread for Callie to cross safely. Grateful, Callie thanked Silky and realized that every creature had its own unique abilities. She thought about Mr. Squirrel's words and understood that growth takes time and patience. Seasons changed, and Callie spun a cocoon around herself, waiting for her transformation. Inside the cocoon, she underwent a magical process. After a while, Callie emerged, not as a caterpillar, but as a beautiful butterfly with wings painted in radiant hues. With newfound joy, Callie flapped her wings and soared into the sky. She marveled at the world from a different perspective and knew that her curiosity and friendships had led her to this moment. From then on, Callie the butterfly shared her stories with the other insects, inspiring them to value each stage of life and appreciate the gifts they had. And so, in that enchanting meadow, Callie's journey taught everyone that curiosity, friendship, and patience were the keys to transformation. Moral of the story: embrace every stage of your journey, because growth comes with time, and every moment is a step toward something beautiful. And so, the meadow flourished with creatures who learned to appreciate the wonders of nature and the magic of life. The end. So, this story is going to help you practice. So I want you to read for as long and as much as you possibly can. I'm going to keep making videos of reading stories like this so you can practice your mouth movements. Remember, exaggerate, open your mouth as wide as you can. So you are going to be able to train your accent so other people can understand you even better. Okay? So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.